Welcome to CT University, where innovation meets excellence and every young mind is shaped for a future of possibilities. At the heart of CTU lies the School of Engineering, a hub of creativity, technology, and future-ready learning. Under the visionary leadership of our esteemed head of engineering, the department continues to redefine academic standards. With vast experience and strong industry exposure, our CUET ensures that every student receives not only education, but true mentorship. Our engineering laboratories reflect CTU's commitment to practical excellence, from advanced robotics and automation labs to precision mechanical workshops, civil engineering survey studios, and cutting-edge computer labs equipped with the latest technologies. Every lab space is designed to encourage hands-on learning, experimentation, and real-world problem solving. Here at CTU, students don't just follow technology, they create it. With expert guidance and supportive leadership, students engage in impactful projects, build prototypes, and bring innovative ideas to life. Choose CT University. Choose a future built on knowledge, innovation, and limitless opportunities. Join us and become the engineer the world needs.